Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the trading room. Today is Thursday, 22nd of June 2023. Let's take a look at our trades, our positions, take a look at the market. We are in a long position in the euro. We are short in gold, like I mentioned. We are still waiting for new information on the S&P, and we got stopped out in the DAX today. So let's jump in and look for new signals, and see what we can find and how can we manage our trades and what's new. Like and subscribe to the channel. If you like that content, I will keep you posted maybe 2 to 3, 4 times a week. If anything new occurs, anything happening, I will be there and show you the signals. We are trading the 4-hour chart. We are basically a trend. We use a trend-based system. Very simple, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. We buy, let's show you on the S&P, we buy, sometimes we buy the breakout. Most of the times we buy the pullback, which here didn't really happen to the last high. That's why we are not in any position at the moment in the S&P. We are waiting till the S&P is coming down to basically test the last significant high. These are not significant highs. I mentioned that already. Let's see if the market will push up tomorrow, Friday. There's going to be some news. PMI. It might be a possible scenario that would be a new significant high. We could play that one. Might also, go sideways the market. Moving down. So that's why we are not in the S&P at the moment, because we want to see a bigger retracement. Or if we do not get this bigger retracement, let me jump over to the daily chart. These are the this is the uptrend here, the swings quite choppy, and now it broke out finally of this high. And well, this last high is the breakout level, and this is at 44,288. So we are around 120 points away from that, and I want to see the test. If not, then we are seeing more upside. This is something I'm not going to jump into the market just like that and gamble. We have our strict rules. We wait and sit on our hands. In this case, we do have to sit on our hands with the S&P, because we want to see some bigger retracement to this level here, and this is where we would go long at around 4,300-ish, maybe a little lower, a little more conservative. Let's see how the market will, continue. If it continues down, and we will see a short sequence, building up, that also will give us new information. So let's be patient on the S&P. We have 3 more markets that we can trade, and I can show you. The next market now is gold, and gold, actually we are in this trade since quite some time. Let's see, when did we enter? It was the 15th of June. So yeah, go figure. The 15th of June we went short. We are in this downtrend, and having all these nice swings here, this short sequence, and we got lucky so far. The market is moving in our direction, pushing down today even further. And sometimes you would think, I'm going to show you the daily bar from yesterday. It's this up hammer, right? So we were in this trade yesterday, short. My stop is already below break even, so I can't lose anything anymore, so that's great. Yet it might take away all our profits, but we wait for bigger moves. So you saw this hammer yesterday, but you also noticed that we broke out of this low in gold. It's at 1950-ish level, so we were below it and we didn't close inside this area. Yet it showed a lot of up pressure because of this daily bar, right? Showing like this new low and then poof, pushing all the way up, closing still outside of the last low. And that gave me the confidence, and I have seen it quite sometimes, that the market breaks out and the bulls are trying to push the market back up. And today we see this bar and got the confirmation that we are on the right side. Let's just see and wait where the market will go tomorrow. If it will go straight down, our target is around the 1900 level. This is our target. When we reach this level, we will get down to even the 1 hour chart and then be very close with our stop there. Yeah, that's the question. If the market will continue in the way it continues to fall, or do we see another pullback to the last breakout area, which is this low here, and then continue down to the 1900 level? Or we can even see the market pushing back up or just moving sideways for some time. Our most likely, the scenario that is most likely is I would say a sort of a pullback into this area. That's why my stop is quite far away still. I could have moved it down here, but that's too close for me. Tomorrow is a news day and that might get a bit volatile. So I'm seeing downside, and we are in a downtrend. So the trend is your friend. So we stick with this trade and we will see what's happening tomorrow. Next market is the EURUSD. We saw this huge up candle on last Thursday, I think. Then we had this beautiful short flag, I would call it, yeah. And we have this continuation bar yesterday. Today, surprisingly, the market, moved higher, then came back down. Let me show you the 4-hour chart. We are actually, scale into the position. So now we have this confirmation with this up move that the trend is, strong, and the market pulling back down now to test this area here. And this is where I decided to add one position. The stop is already, below this low here, meaning the risk is quite small in comparison what it used to be. So yeah, I see a lot of upside. It might get quite volatile here, and the market will trigger our stop and maybe then move up, or just move down, or sideways. These scenarios are always possible. The probability that the market will continue up is the highest here. So most likely the market will move higher, especially seeing this huge up bar, on Thursday. It's double the size of the ATR, the average true range. So that is always a good sign. Let's just see and hope we are on the right track also with the euro. Last market is the German DAX, and we got stopped out today. I'm going to show you that quickly on this chart here. This is where our position got filled. We were, going long after this breakout, and then we decided to, place our buy limit right on the last high. The market came down, boom, filled us, and decided to, you know, just stop us out. Our stop was below here, this low. And yeah, now just like the S&P, you know, the S&P is a bit more clearer than the DAX. The S&P might give us a nice up move tomorrow and show us the summer rally, you know, is happening. So guys, like and subscribe to the channel. I will keep you posted on those trades and new signals. I'm looking for signals every day. We are trading these four markets on a 4-hour chart, so we can, you know, continue with our daily lives and don't have to sit in front of our screen all day, you know, trading the 5 minutes or 15-minute charts. So very relaxed, making some money, being patient, and only betting on the best signals we can find, only the high quality signals. These are the signals we are taking. Okay guys, thank you so much. Take it easy. See you next time. Bye.